How to create an echo text effect in Canva. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create an echo text effect in the easiest way possible in less than 5 minutes. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more tutorials like these. Let's get started. Let's browse to the Canva home screen and click on Create a New Design. And let's go to the Custom Size option here and select 1280 by 720 pixel and click on Create a New Design. Okay, now we have a blank template open on the Canva screen. Let's change the background color to something more interesting. Let's try adding something gradient. To change the color, we have to go up here and click on Colors. And on the left hand side, we can see all the color options. Let's scroll down to select a gradient color. Let's select this color option for this example. Now we have to go on the left hand side and click on Text. And let's add a heading here. Let's type Echo Effect. Let's change the font to something more interesting. Let's go up here and click on Fonts and select any font from the options available. Let me select this font here. Now let's resize this text. To resize, we can simply click and drag this text like this. Or we can go up here and increase the font size from here. Now let's change the color of this text. To change the color, we have to go up here and choose any color from the options available. For now, let me select this color here. Now to add an echo effect, let's select this text and go up here and click on Effects. As we can see a lot of options on the left hand side, let's select Hollow Effect and adjust the thickness to around 10. Now we have to select this text and go up here and click on these 3 dots here and adjust the transparency to around 15. Now we have to go back and select this text and duplicate it. We can now adjust this text to give it some echo effect. And select this text and go up here and click on the 3 dots again. And set the transparency to around 25. Now watch carefully while I keep on duplicating the text and adjust the transparency as we move forward to give this text a complete echo effect. See, that was so easy. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these. And please add a comment if you have any questions.